Let's talk about direct joint and inverse variation. The first thing we're going to talk about is direct variation. This is your basic y equals kx. We're always going to have a k involved somewhere in all these problems. So if you don't have a k somewhere, you got to punch it in there. So for number one, we're just going to do y equals kx. And we're just going to be solving for k and then rewrite it. So I get 16 equals k times 20. Divide by 20, divide by 20, and k is 4/5. So for my equation, it would be y equals 4/5 x. And that's it. Okay, so just solving and plugging and chugging. Number two works the same way. That's y equals 8x for those of us that want to do it. Number three, it's a word problem. So how I read this is euros directly with D, so K and then D. Then we're just plugging and chugging, so I get 385 equals K times 5. Then I'm going to divide by 5, and I think K is 0.77. So then we're going to take the new formula with K, put in 10 for E, so I got 10 equals, I don't know what D is, but I know 0.77. Divide by 0.77, divide by 0.77, and I think you get 1289. I got the answers here, hold on. Oh, 1298, sorry, 1298. Sorry. 1298. All right. Now, joint variation just means there's more than one variable. So as you can see here, we got k, x, and z. Now, k is always going to be there. X is pretty much there, and then z as well. So for this one, volume equals k jointly, so b and then h. And then we're just plugging and chugging. Just plug in the information, then we're going to plug in our new stuff. So v equals 12 pi, b, we don't know k, remember, 9 pi, and then h is 4. So that's going to give you k is 1/3. Then plug everything into our new one. So we get 24 pi equals 1/3 times 9 times, we don't know our b. That gives us 3. So then b is 8 pi. So we're just solving and plugging and chugging. Now inverse variation. Inverse variation is fractions. So y equals k over x. So y equals k over x, a little different, but works kind of the same anyway. Plug in 4, plug in 5, so I get 4 equals k over 5, so k is 20. So y equals 20 over x for my equation. Number 6 works the same way. Number 7 is a word problem. I will tell you the answer is 25, so see if you can figure out how that's 25. Remember, it's inverse. So how you set that up is the time equals k over v. All right, so plug and chug, hope you get 25. And then here on number 8a, as x gets bigger, y should also get bigger if it's direct. And if x gets bigger and y gets smaller, then it's inverse. So as we see, x is getting larger here, and y is actually going down. So that would be inverse. And then for b, as x is getting bigger, so is y. So that's direct. And the last little bit here, combined. Combined just means everything that we just did. So for number 9, how we read this, volume V varies inversely as P, so P goes in the bottom, and then T, and then K. All right, so just plug it all in. I'll let you do that one. I'll give you the answers here in a second. And then number 10, same idea. Owner of the bookstore, blah, 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 blah. Price P varies directly with N. Got a K up there, and then inversely with M. All right, so pause it. I'm going to give you the answers. Okay, so number 9, our answer is 2.333 or 2 1/3. There's all my work. Feel free to pause it. Step 1 was figuring out what K was. Step 2 is just plugging it in. And then number 10, figuring out what K is. Step number 1 is 5,000, then plug it in and you get 4,000. All right, good luck. See you later. Bye-bye.